Good morning, everyone. Continuing the same topic, integers, today I will explain you some of the questions related to integers. So let's start today's class. The first question is the sum of two integers is -61 and one of the integer is 18. Find the other. So this is a question where the sum of two integers is given, one of the integer is given and you need to find the other integer. So let's try to understand this with only positive numbers. Suppose the sum of two numbers are given to us 15 and first number is given 7. So can we find the second number easily? It means that what is the another number which when added in 7 give us 15. So it's very simple. It is 8. And we know from where it comes by subtracting. So whenever the sum of two integer is given, one of the integer is given and you want to find the another one, from sum you have to subtract the first one. So same procedure we have to apply here, like sum is -61 and one of the integer is 18. So find the another one, we have to subtract 18 from -61 or we can take any unknown variable for other integer. So see its solution. Let other integer is x. So the sum of first and second integer. So first integer is 18 and another integer is x. So the sum of these two integers will be -61. We have framed an equation. Now we have to use the transposition method in which this number is to be shifted on another side. And when it's shifted, its sign will also change. X remain here, -61 as it is, and +18 will become -18 on another side. So now you can see the sign are same. So if the sign are same, the digits will get add. So when we add, we will get 79 with the negative sign because both the sign are same. Then the answer will be with negative sign. So we can say that hence the other integer be -79. This is our answer. It means when you add 18 and -79, you will get -61. That is the sum. So this is one of the type. Next, move on the another type. Here again, we use the addition and subtraction of integer as in the previous question. So the question is like this. Subtract the sum of -203 and 180 from the 456. Let's take it -456. So I have given one question that you have to subtract the sum of -203 and 180 from the -456. It means that whatever is the sum of this and this number, that is to be subtracted from -456. So let's do it with stepwise. So first we are finding the sum. Sum of -203 and 180. So when we are doing addition, we have to put addition sign in between. Again, different sign. So we need to subtract it. This it will get subtract. So what we get here? 3, 2 and with negative sign. When we subtract 180 from -203, we will get 23 with negative sign. Now the language is this. whatever is the sum that is to be subtracted from this. So our language will become like that. Subtract minus 23 because subtract the sum and sum is minus 23 from minus 456. We have learned this concept in subtraction where the from concept is given. So the second number comes as first and first number goes at second. Minus 456. We are doing subtraction, so minus and negative 23. Now we need to open the bracket. Minus minus become plus and we observe whether the sign are different or same. So it is different, we have to subtract again with negative sign because 456 is bigger. So our answer is negative 433. So we have to just read the language carefully. First we have to find the sum or subtraction from which we have to subtract which number. So here first we found this sum of this and this, and whatever is the answer that is to be subtracted from minus 456. So it will come at 4, then solve as it is. Now, the next type is simplification. In simplification, any sign can be given to you, plus, minus. You have to just open the bracket and solve it using the rules of integers. Simplify. I'm giving you one question here. Negative 36 minus negative 25 plus negative 12 minus negative 25. Question is minus 27. So this is one of the question. It means you have to simplify it, solve it using open the bracket, solving the bracket by multiplying the sign. So the first rule to open the small bracket. So first we are solving this small bracket. So curly bracket remain as it is. Negative 36. When you open the small bracket, it will become minus minus plus 25. Similarly, we will solve the next bracket. Negative 12, negative negative again positive 27 and curly bracket close. Now we have to open the curly bracket. For this, we need to solve a value which is given inside the curly bracket. So again, different signs we have to subtract and with negative sign because 36 is bigger. Same thing, subtraction because of different sign. 7 minus 2, 5 and 1. Here 27 is bigger, which is positive sign. That's why it remains positive. Now observe these different signs. We have to subtract. 15 minus 11 is 4 and 15 is bigger with the positive sign. That's why it remains positive. So the final answer is plus 4. So in this manner, after learning the add, subtract, multiply and divide of integers, we can solve the questions. Like here we have learned different types of questions. So thank you.